License and registration, please.
I was not driving, kind sir.
I was.
Would you gentlemen mind stepping out of the car?
Come on. Okay, that's good. Have you gentlemen been drinking?
No. My brother's had a nip or two, but I'm sober. I was the one operating the vehicle.
Whoa, you don't need to apologize to him. Back off, Starsky.
Well,
we pay your taxes.
Shut up.
Shut up. It's the truth. It's the truth.
Would you gentlemen walk a straight line for me?
Oh, Lord.
Go.
Okay.
Come on.
Okay, I'm good. I'm good.
Now I know how Madeline Comanici felt.
Excuse me?
You, sir, need to go back to your own country.
Sorry,
Go on. Vamoose. Vamoose.